Do you know the juice box was invented in this state? Shout out to Wisconsin, home of the juice box revolution in the 80s. School lunches changed forever. Wisconsin invented the juice box, blending innovation, convenience, kid-friendly design, and a splash of fruity fun. This state once had a house that spun 360 degrees. In Connecticut, one inventor built a rotating house that followed the sun like a sunflower. It actually worked. Connecticut's spinning house rotated 360 degrees, showcasing unique engineering, innovation, panoramic views, and futuristic home design. Iowa has more pigs than people. With over 20 million pigs, Iowa's hog population doubles its human one. You'll smell it before you see it. Iowa leads in pig farming with vast barns, efficient agriculture, pork production, and strong rural traditions. Tennessee is the birthplace of rock, country, and blues. From Elvis to B.B. King to Dolly Parton, Tennessee hits every note. It's music history in one state. Home to Elvis, Nashville, Memphis, rich rhythms, and musical American roots.